Hey guys, what's going on? It's Peter here. Today I'm gonna talk about Hamster Kombat. I want to tell you some tricks. To earn more in Hamster Kombat. I want to tell you new updates in Hamster. So first, I want to tell you that if you are new in this game, I put the link in the description. So check the description and click on it and enjoy the bots. You can see here it's their official bot. So click on play in one click. You can see Hamster Kombat token Anton. So will be launched Anton soon. Okay, it's a new update in this game. So guys, as you know, you can earn by just tapping. You can see, and you can boost it like other games no matter what. Okay, but it's not, the turbo is not available in this game. Profit per hour is so important. You can see my profit per hour is 1 million, about 1 million. Okay, so if you want to earn more in this game, just care about profit per hour. If you click on profit per hour, you will see earn even when offline up to 3 hours. Okay, up to 3 hours. If you are offline, this game will earn for you. As you see, I do nothing in this game and the number is growing. You can see here, it's because my profit is 1 million per hour. If you click on mine, you can see there are a lot of cards here. Just unlock all the cards. Always check the new cards in the specials. Check the new cards in the bottom of legal cards, PR and team cards, markets cards. Okay, check all of them and check the new cards every day and upgrade. Okay, pay attention that you have daily combo here. You can see daily combo. The card has been found. Well done. So you have to find 3 cards every day, 3 combos, and upgrade them. Just upgrading once. Okay, upgrade 3 cards, 3 combos every day, and every day you will get 5 million coins. You can see I have upgraded 3 cards and earned 5 million coins. This is another trick in this game you want to earn. Care about profit per hour and upgrade cards to level up it. Upgrade cards to get more profit per hour and do daily tasks, daily combos, do daily rewards. Okay, just care about daily rewards. You can see if you play this game 10 days in a row, you will earn something like 7 million coins for free, doing nothing. Okay, another trick is, do not forget to share your link to others. If you have more friends, you will earn more coins from your referrals. You will get more coins. So simple, guys. All the tricks in this game: profit per hour, daily combos, and friends, and free daily earns. Okay, so guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not underestimate Hamster Kombat. It's official and will be launched on Ton soon. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe us and like if you want to know how to use this bot, this app. I have another video in this channel. Please check the description, cards, and in the screen. Okay, you will see another video I have uploaded recently. It's ultimate review of Hamster Kombat, step by step, how to earn if you are new. Okay, so see you next time, guys. Take care.